difference between see, look at, and watch. See means to perceive something with the eyes. For example, I can see the mountains from my window.
See?
See?
Look at or just look means to direct your eyes at something. For example, look at the menu before you order.
Look at. Look at this, look at this, look!
Watch means to observe something for a period of time. For example, she likes to watch the sunset from her balcony.
Watch.
Watch.
See means to notice or become aware of something by using your eyes. Look means to direct your eyes in a particular direction. See is more general. Look means, oh, look at that. So you are directing your eyes in a particular direction. Watch means to look at something for some time and pay attention to what is happening. I hope you understood. Here is a small quiz to check your understanding. I didn't dash the car coming until it was too late. Comment your answers below. Bye.